तो HP 250R G9 लैपटॉप में आज GTA 5 का गेमिंग टेस्ट करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए पहले इसको इंस्टॉल कर लेते हैं। तो जब इंस्टॉल कर रहा था ना, ये जो रेड मार्क में पूरा दिखा रहा है कि SSD होने से बहुत अच्छा है। HDD में ये गेम उतना अच्छा नहीं चलेगा। तो ये जो मैं इंस्टॉल का वीडियो इसलिए दिखा है आप लोगों को, ये इंस्टॉल करने में बहुत टाइम लिया, लगभग 1.5 घंटा के आसपास लिया। मेरा डेस्कटॉप में भी इतना ही टाइम लिया था। तो मुझे लगता है ये नॉर्मल है, क्योंकि ये गेम का साइज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। लगभग 38 GB का गेम का साइज था। तो चलिए गेम का टेस्टिंग स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। इंस्टॉलेशन हो गया है। तो ये मेरा डेस्कटॉप का आइकॉन दिख रहा है GTA 5 का। तो इसको चालू करते हैं। तो आप लोग वीडियो देखते रहिए, ग्राफिक्स वगैरह कैसे लग रहा है। मुझे तो कुछ इशू नहीं हुआ, मुझे तो बहुत बढ़िया लगा। लैपटॉप भी उतना हीटिंग का कुछ इशू नहीं हुआ मुझे। मेरे पास तो थर्मल गन वगैरह ये सब नहीं है, तो आप लोगों को दिखा नहीं पाएंगे। लेकिन आप लोग पूरा वीडियो देखिए, मुझे लगता है आप लोग सेटिस्फाइड होंगे। और इस बजट के हिसाब से ये लैपटॉप तो मुझे बहुत सेटिस्फाइड कर दिया। आप लोग गेमिंग वीडियो देखते रहिए।
Get down there! All right, everybody pays attention. No one gets hurt. Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Ah, finally! Don't do anything! Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Hands behind your back.
Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the plastic!
Don't blow yourself up! Pay attention!
M, get these assholes in the closet! In the back! Come
What's
on!
he doing? He's
Hurry!
gonna kill us in here.
All right, you can do this. Show me the money.
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
Oh, there it is! Remember, just the non-sequential bills. Oh, there's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
Come on, move! Come on, B! Give it up, I got him!
I saw your face. I remember you. You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them? I've seen his eyes. He's crazy. No one's crazy. Right thing. Be cool.
Last one! Now, I'm fucking crazy!
Fuck! You didn't have to do that!
Let's get go!
Who snitched?
Back the fuck down!
Get in their faces! Don't be an idiot!
Blame the pricks who called you out here!
We bring it to them! Move! We're coming through!
Don't be as dumb as you look!
We keep going forward! Come on, go!
Move, God!
The kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description! Get in here!
What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive!
Woo! Did you see that shit?
Fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Go, 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 go! That's a dick!
Come on, let's get to the chopper. We move quick, we can beat the train.
We're getting there.
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool. They ain't made this car yet.
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Go right. Beat the train, man.
That? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie? Damn, this motherfucker got robo-roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, Law.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Okay. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good. Hey, open up, homie. Give me some room.
You want room? Go lose some weight with your fat ass.
Hey, my whip.
The white OJ in the hallway, the long 4-4 spray, one smoking and riding, smoking and riding, smoking and riding, smoking and riding, smoking and riding.
Hey there, family. We got some news we have to hit you guys off with right now. Could be LSPD probably shot someone for no reason. Weasel News.
Arresting from Congress's decision to allow Meriwether Security Consulting to expand domestic operations.
Gang crime is on the rise. Experts blame lack of movies.
The funding war between security agencies rages in the capital.
It's official. Epsilonism is not a cult.
Credits roll on another historic Vinewood movie studio.
The boss act in wild swings again.
We really gonna repo after all this bullshit. You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all them people?
You was there too. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
Motherfuckers getting away from us.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh shit, Professor, you're right. Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike he riding, stupid.
He's flying now. This punk get away, we going down, homie. Homie, he gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Don't play the blame game, just get on this shit. Pop that fool. We need him on his ass so we can get what we came for. Now watch that shit, homie. We want your bike, bitch. Shoot him down! Time to get that shit up. No crap.
Shit!
I'll drive next time.
Oh my god. Idiot.
That's the pipe you
Look
came
out
for.
the way!
You had him. Get back up there. Get that bike back. Stop by, asshole. Take the bike and meet me at the car wash round the way.
Holy shit.
All right, I'll see you over there.
Hey, y'all be good out there tonight. Don't do nothing stupid, unless you have to.
Oh, there it is. That's my boat. Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man. Yeah, well, we'll catch him. Hey, what we about to do? I'm gonna get you close, and you're gonna go board that thing. All right, man, shit. Fuck it, let's do this. All right, I got a piece in the glove box. They give you shit, I'll take them out. Oh, that's cool, man. You shooting with one hand and driving with the other. But my motherfucking concern is I might miss the jump and fall in fucking traffic. You said you wanted to learn from the best. Let's call this lesson number 1. Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me close, man. You got a tight grip? Good. Man, your woman mind you scraping her shit up like this? Hey, steady, man. I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat. Stick on the hook, man. What the fuck? Hey, man, you're gonna need to buy a new car real soon at this rate. I can't do this shit from here. Get me close. Shit! Get up there! Oh, fuck this! Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Oh, fuck! Shit. Shit. Ah, shit! Come on, come on, come on, come on! What the fuck? Throw him overboard! Oh, get... They fucking shot the engine! Fuck! Oh, easy with those pricks! Don't you hurt my boy! If you hurt my boy, or my boat! Hey, hey! Over here! Hey! Shoot this motherfucker in the face already! Knock it up, you thieving Hey, this dude's trying to kill me, man! You on the wrong boat, boy! Nah, you on the wrong boat! Ah, this is gonna kill me! Fuck! Yay! Ah, too close! All right, now look for my son!
Dad? Wait, you're the guy from the dealership.
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro. Jimmy!
Oh, shit!
Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! 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 Dad needs his help!
Pull up on him so he can stop in the car!
Oh, shit, I don't want to die!
Hey, this little fat fuck ain't gonna hold up much longer!
I'm slipping! This is
If you
it!
fall to your death, I'm gonna fucking kill you!
If you don't get
I
under me
paid
like
my
right
years
now!
to set...
Oh!
The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Ah! Crap! Ah, shit! Fuck, kid! Hey, get me off the damn thing! I ain't jumping from here, man! Get close! What the fuck? All fucking board? Let's stop this ship from sailing.
ये पूरा गेम मैं हाई सेटिंग में ही खेला हूँ। जो देख रहे 1360 बाई 739 है और इसमें आप ऊपर में देखिए वीडियो मेमोरी ये ले रहा है लगभग 1 GB के आसपास ले रहे हैं। तो मुझे कुछ इशू नहीं हुआ इस